Hey guys, how's it going? So, Kevin O'Leary, so first of all, the video is clickbait a little bit, but at the same time, it's not, and it's always a possibility. I'm not saying it will happen. I'm saying it's always a possibility that Kevin O'Leary could invest into Voyager Digital and maybe even promote the company on his YouTube channel. That is a possibility. Not sure if it will happen, but if but right now, as of making this video, there was a tweet that came out 47 minutes ago that says that Kevin O'Leary is hanging out with Steve at the booth, and there's a picture of Steve and Market Rebellion, and I'm sure they're talking and having a conversation. And Kevin O'Leary is an active investor. He constantly looks for good investments, and the fact that he's talking to Steve, he may consider investing into Voyager. If he does and decides to promote it, that is a big win for the Voyager Digital community, because that will bring in more customers, more investors, and it's just good. Like, how could that, having Kevin O'Leary back something, how is it not good? Kevin O'Leary always talks positively about Robin Hood, and Voyager is basically the Robin Hood of the digital space, and possibly when they go and start trading on securities too, they will be better than Robin Hood. They'll be like above Robin Hood when it comes to trading securities and crypto. But again, that's my opinion, and I'm biased because I'm a shareholder. But still, this is positive news. I really like seeing this. And as soon as this tweet came out from Voyager, what happened? The stock went up. It started going up and up and up. Personally, I would rather see the stock price go all the way down to $20, maybe even $15. I don't care if I'm a bag holder. I don't care if I'm losing money, because I'm not looking at this in the short term. I'm looking at this in the long term. I know that when they announce their next earnings report, which would be in July, or not July, probably probably mid-August, they're going to report the earnings report, and it's going to be amazing numbers. And that's all that really matters to me. And the fact that the CEO wants to buy back 5% of his stock. So the lower the stock price goes, the better chance of him buying back the stock becomes. So I would rather see the company buy back the stock, because I'm looking at this long term. I'm looking at this 2-3 years down the road, when the earnings are going to be super fantastic, and the stock will skyrocket. Well, I hope the stock will skyrocket when they have $1 billion in revenue with like $600 to $700 million of profit. I'm hoping. I mean, you never know, right? They could have those kind of numbers, and the stock could still be sitting at $23, $20. Stocks are worth as much as investors are willing to pump. And if no investors are willing to pump Voyager Digital, it could just stay here for the rest of its life. I don't think that's going to be the scenario. I think if the more and more those revenue numbers come in and profit comes in, the more and more the stock will go up. But if the stock price stays here, what the CEO is probably going to do? He's probably going to buy back more stock. So, and then the float will become even tighter and tighter for Voyager Digital. So we'll see what happens, but I'm very bullish on this company long term. Short term, I would rather have the stock plummet down to $15 if possible. That's just how I look at it. I have money on the side to buy more. I'm definitely going to be buying more if the stock goes down to $15. I hope it does. I'm not going to gamble at $15. I'm going to buy some at $20. If this thing goes to $18, I'm gonna buy some more. If it goes to $17, I'm gonna buy some more. That's just how I plan to play it out. Not financial advice to anyone, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, very exciting to see Kevin O'Leary talk with Steve. I'm hoping, you know, Kevin O'Leary considers investing into Voyager and maybe become a customer and possibly promote Voyager Digital on his YouTube channel. I'm hoping, cross my fingers, only time will tell. But yes, very, very positive news. And it's funny. Well, today I went and I was at the clinic and I was just about to get my vaccine shot. And I was talking to the lady. I was like saying, what happens if I decide just to wait a year to see like how everything works out before I take the vaccine shot? And she's like, it's not necessary for you to get it. It's voluntarily. So I was like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna wait a year. She's like, yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay. Then I decided I'm gonna wait a year, see how things work out. Then I'll take my vaccine shot next year. You know, that is my plan. I mean, I don't like needles. I don't want to get the vaccine shot, so I'm just going to wait a year, see what happens. Then I'll get my vaccine shot next year. So just letting you guys know, I was gonna get it. I was right there. I was sitting down. I had the paperwork in front of me, and I was gonna take my shot, but I decided to wait a year. Just letting you guys know. Little update. AMC right now is down, under a little bit of pressure. GameStop is down under a little bit of pressure. Just look at like AMC and GameStop. They look so similar from a charting perspective. You know, big skyrocket here. Kind of like kind of a bounce right here too, and then a pullback throughout the day. A pullback throughout the day. Very, very similar charting perspective. Just, you know, from what I can see. High Tide is down 2.47%. Not too much to say about that. I mean, people were so raving about the NASDAQ listing, thinking it's going to skyrocket the stock, and did the exact opposite. Like, you can't predict the market. Can't predict what rich people will do. I mean, sure, Wall Street Bets could pump it, but is there a huge short position in High Tide for Wall Street Bet to come in to be like, let's destroy the short sellers? I don't think so. Dogecoin right now is down 8.0, down a little bit on the day. Sundial Grower is down. Kind of wish I sold. Didn't. Kind of lost out on that. Oh well, whatever. If this thing goes down below $1, I'll buy a little bit more. Hope that the market pumps it. Maybe not. We'll see what happens. Bitcoin is down a little bit right now. Down 4.34%. QU Media is up a penny. Ianthus is just neutral. The vegan company is not really doing too much, but we'll see where that goes. It's been a pretty nice month. It went from 20 cents to 29 cents. And yes, I am a shareholder in this. I'm holding stock. I sold out and then I rebought back in the 20s, and now I'm not bag holding and I'm profitable on my position. Funware, just kind of trading sideways today. ACB is downtrending or just kind of trading sideways. Cardano is also not doing too well today. GameStop is down a little bit. And Lordstown today down 62 cents. Anyways, that is it for my video. Wow, I got like 20 more seconds to make a video. Just for a 10-minute video. Not too much to say. I mean, I like Voyager. I think Voyager will eventually, in my opinion, one day make $1 billion of revenue. per quarter, with profits around $500 million of profit, $500 million of profit per quarter in the future, in my opinion. But only time will tell if I'm right or wrong. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day.